Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable your camera on your Android phone if it's not working. Now what you want to do is just swipe down from the top right, and if you have a Samsung phone you might have a button on here that says sensors on or off. Make sure that says on. So on my A16 I don't see anything, but you might have an option sensors on or off. So make sure that's turned on, otherwise it's going to disable your camera. So also you can just go to the top right here and just go to search and go to sensors off and see if anything pops up. And if you have that option turned off, turn it on. So now let's go back and go to apps. So if you have like a Google Pixel phone or something like that, it's very easy to enable it. So let's go to apps, and for some reason I keep going by. Okay, here's apps. Go to camera now. So let's go to camera and choose this. So here is my camera application, and then you can see it's grayed out on the bottom, but if you have a Google Pixel phone, you are going to see the option for camera, and you can just go to it now and you have the option to disable it or enable it right here. So it's very easy to do, just have to hit enable and then the camera option will show up again. Now also you might have an option in the top right to uninstall the camera updates. You can just uninstall your updates for it and see if the camera works after doing that too. Now you want to go into the permissions just right here. Make sure you allow the permission for the camera. So you might not have the permission allowed, so it might be set to don't allow, and you won't be able to use the camera app because it will say this. And you just have to choose one of those options. So let's go back to it and just go to where it says see all apps with this permission. So this is on my Samsung phone, and we can see all the apps that do not allow the permission. So we can go through here one by one, like Facebook for example, and we can just give it permission, but most of the time it will just pop up asking you permission. So if there is an app under here and you want it to have permission for your camera, make sure it's allowed. So like Google Meets, probably want to have this allowed. So that's fine. We can go back now. We can go back. And you can see I have the option up here, all permissions. Okay, let's go back. And we can scroll on down to where it says storage now. And we can clear the cache and then clear the data for the camera too. And just see if that gets it to work. Now if that doesn't work, it says change system settings allowed. So we have this permission on, that's good. And then just come in here. Okay, everything looks good in here. Now another thing that could be happening is something else is using the camera application, so it's just not working, so it comes up black. So go to the switcher or swipe up until you can see all these different applications on here, and we want to close everything down. So something on here like maybe you have Messenger up and you were talking to someone. Well, that could be taking the camera up, so just clear it up, close all these applications, and then you can try your camera app and see if this works again. And this just asked me the location to store that, and that's fine. And this should be working now. And I don't see it working, so it's just coming up a black screen. Let's flip it around. Okay, it's working. So it's now taking a picture. So try out those different settings right there. Otherwise, we can go to the Google Play Store. If we uninstall the updates, you can see everything. We can skip this. And there might be an update for your camera application after you uninstall the updates. So go to your name, go to Manage Apps and Devices, and then we can go to checking for updates. And we can come in here and just update all our applications. So the camera application isn't on here, I don't see it, but we can just update everything anyways. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.